Welcome to the study of Gospel of John, John chapter 11, 45 to 57. When Lazarus was raised from dead, the people were upset, especially the Pharisees, the Sadducees. They were discussing among themselves, how can we stop him? Now he has did a great miracle and everybody know that miracle. We have to put to death this man, Jesus. Also, they wanted to kill Lazarus because he is a testimony for the power of resurrection. So, Caiaphas, who was one of the chief priests, said he was the officiating priest of that year. He told the people, you know nothing at all, nor do you understand that it is better for you that one man should die for the people, not that the whole nation should perish. So it was not just a spiritual statement he was trying to make, it was a political statement. He was afraid that if Jesus Christ becomes powerful, if he has a lot of common people following him, then the Romans will come and seize the power. That means the elite who are ruling would be defeated. They will not have any power. Maybe they will be stripped of all the power. So only he cleverly said, or he used his power as the chief priest, he used his authority as the chief priest, and he used the authority on the position as the chief priest, and he prophesies that one man should die so that the nation may not perish. For him, the nation was more important than to understand or evaluate or find out, discern who this person was. So when everyone started believing, so he was a hindrance. He did not want to believe Lord Jesus Christ. So about that, he had an intention to murder, to kill him. And his selfish, murderous intention was clothed with spirituality, was clothed with nationalism. So he spoke as if he was concerned about the nation of Israel, and so he wanted this man to die. But the intention was clear. So what we see today also, the followers of Jesus will be persecuted. So they will also be harassed. Sometimes they could be killed. So the reason is people don't love the truth. They don't want to lose any of the comforts and benefits they enjoy because they ignore the truth. But we know, Lord Jesus Christ said, you will know the truth and the truth will set you free. So let us not be like Caiaphas, but let us embrace the truth, receive the truth. May God bless you.